If you ever wondered how to connect your iPad to the windshield, we're going to show you how to do that right here. Hey guys, welcome back. So here we have a couple of items from RAM Mount that we would like to share with you. First of all, if you're having issues with your tablet, you want to give your tablet something fast, something secure that's not going to fly off while you're flying, this RAM mount will take care of that issue for you. It expands through the backside and you can mount it to your tablet. And the way you do that is press the back clamps, mount goes in, or tablet, and there you have it. It's not gonna shake off anywhere. So no matter how much turbulence you encounter, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay fixated where it's at. And you can still use all your functions on your tablet, no matter what it is. And it's simple, very easy to install. All you have is a ball connection that goes into one of these extensions. And how you do it is, open it up. Let me open it a little bit more. I guess this will work. Got that side. And then they have this little attachment that goes on the other side. So now you have an arm and 2 points where you can pivot on. So if you want to have it connected to your windshield and facing you, if you want to have it connected to your window and face you, you can also do that. And this goes into a suction cup. Goes right there, and I will show you guys exactly how the process is done. So the suction cup goes mounted to the surface that you like. When twisting the arm on it, will lock it in place. This is not gonna go anywhere. You could probably pull a dent out with this suction cup. That's how strong it is. And if you want to undo it, you go the other way and then just pull the lever and push it out. And that's simple. Yeah, that's not gonna go anywhere. You can pull the glass out. So now for the assembly part. In each bag RAM mount, you're gonna get a set of screws that come with the mount. Place them in, line up the holes, and then all you gotta do is just screw them in. So all you're gonna need is a screwdriver to do this. And that is literally all you're gonna need. Yes, you don't want to over tighten them. So because you can strip the bottom of the threads. So it is plastic, so just use your best judgment with that. Once you have it disconnected or tightened, just undo it, and then back to your mount. Tighten it up, and now lock it in place. Now you can pivot whichever way you need it to. Now this, if you loosen it up, this can twist. And now your tablet can sit there. All you gotta do is, thanks Kate. Turn it up, and it's just not gonna go anywhere. So no matter how much turbulence you encounter, like we explained, that is not gonna go anywhere. Now if you wanna use your cell phone, if you wanna record a video, wanna do any of the fun stuff, all you gotta do is connect a smaller RAM mount connection to your phone, tighten it the same way you would normally tighten it, and that is not gonna go anywhere. Again, this is fixed for as long as your flight is gonna last. Not gonna go anywhere, guarantee you that. You could also use it with the case or without the case. It's a good addition, thank you. If you have a larger iPad, for example, iPad 11, this RAM mount will take care of that issue for you. It's very simple. All you gotta do is just put it in place, you lock the back corner, and that is gonna stay fixated in there. It's not gonna go anywhere. And now you can can see that that iPad's not gonna go anywhere. The way you mount that iPad comes with a diamond mount, goes in one of these holes or sections. If you have multiple suction cups, you can use multiple. For demonstration purposes, we're gonna use the one, and it screws in there. The way it screws is got 2 screws, 2 nuts. They go in the inside of the case. Again, all you're gonna need for any of this mounts is just a screwdriver, nothing else. Yep, Phillips head, screwdriver. And all you do is drop the screw in, and you are one step closer to getting this set up. And remember, do not over tighten these because you will damage the product. Again, back to the original mount. This is the original mount that we started off with, using the the X grip. It's the original one. It'll work on any of the other combinations. Loosen up a little bit so you can get your distance a little bit. The ball goes in. You tighten it. Put it in the place that you would like, and you tighten the end of it. So that's all there's to it, and that is not gonna go anywhere. Also fixed. And now Katie's gonna show us what it's gonna look like when it's finished. So we have the final product. Tighten it up, adjust it if you have to, and again, that is not gonna go anywhere, no matter how much turbulence you encounter throughout your flight.
What if you don't want to use a suction cup?
If I don't want to use a suction cup and I have a yoke that allows for you to connect a yoke to it, or a yoke mount to it, we can go that way as well. And all we're doing on this is just twisting this and keeping that clamp tight to the yoke itself. So anywhere you go, that is not gonna go anywhere. Now, using the original arm that we started off with, so all of the ram mounts are interchangeables. So same arm, go back on the ball, you tighten it up. Excuse me. And now we have dropped down the display so you can view it as you're flying. If you don't want to keep it on your windshield, if you don't want to keep it on the window, and you want to keep it on your yoke, you most definitely can do that. So now you have this capability where you're going through and you can use it as you fly. The last thing I want to show you guys is how easy it is to interchange from any of these back to a phone. Let's say you're flying with your phone, although you shouldn't. But if you just want to, for funs and giggles, your iPad fell and now you need to back up. Yeah, good point. Now you have your phone hooked up back the same way you had your iPad. And that is not gonna go anywhere, guarantee you that. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be happy, or any of our team members, to assist you with any of your questions. At the end of the day, we're here for you guys and happy to help. As most of us are pilots or enthusiasts, we enjoy what we do here. We appreciate it. Now, showing you guys how we assembled all of these parts together. And now we're gonna show you what they look like here on the flight deck. And we're gonna start off with the iPad mini and the X grip. So simple, the mount or the suction cup on the windshield. We'll lock it in place. And as you can see, that is not going anywhere. You'd probably take the windshield out if you wanted to with that. Then we're gonna connect the X grip to it. And we loosen this side a little bit. And it's on. Now we're gonna tighten it nice and firm so it stays in one place. And there you have it. That's not going anywhere. Now, if you would like to have your phone out, you're able to. You can just simply take out the iPad, same way you put it on. And then you can have your phone connected with the same device, the grip, only that this one is made for phones. It's a lot smaller. And you can have it sitting up here like such. And now you can record, you can, if you happen to lose everything and this is your last measure of safety or navigation, you can also use your device for navigation purposes. One nice feature about the RAM mount is that here in a Honda Jet, for example, the space is a bit confined. And the neat thing about it is that you can have the iPad here, you still fly the aircraft, you still have all your displays. Now if it's in the way, you can always pivot the arm in whichever way that you need it to be out of the way for your preference. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching and I hope this video helps.